Hi, in this video I'm going to show you my newest Nerf gun modification. It's a Nerf Vulcan Sentry Gun, which means that it's computer operated and automatically aims and fires at targets. It can also be controlled by either a joystick, a controller or even your computer mouse. If you're watching this video on YouTube and are interested in building your own version, head over to instructables.com. I'll put a link down in the description. And I'll put a full set of instructions on the site. So let me quickly walk you through the mechanics and electronics of the gun. The movement of the gun is controlled by two servos. One that is in between those two plates, and it's a bit hard to see. It controls the turning movement of the gun. And one that is on the other side, which controls the tilt movement of the gun. The computer signal is processed by an Arduino Uno, which also controls the firing of the gun. The two servos are running on 6 volt and the gun is running on 11.1 volt. I also replace the spring of the gun. In its stock form it has either, I'm not sure, either a 2 or 2.5 kilogram spring, and I replaced it with a 5 kilogram one, which resulted in a huge strength boost from a dart speed of only 12 meters per second before to now about 90 meters per second. I also tried using a 7 kilogram spring, but it resulted in a lot of misfiring. So if you're building your own version, I suggest to either use a 5 kilogram one or a 6 kilogram one, but I'm really happy with the performance of the 5 kilogram one. Using a 100 shot ammo belt, and the tripod is taken from a Junior drum throne. As you can see, the gun is tightened to the base by wing nuts, which means that on one hand it's quite sturdy, but on the other hand it can be taken apart easily and taken to other places. You can also take the tripod off as well. So I hope you like it, and let me show you how it performs. So let me quickly show you how fast this gun aims. It has movement anticipation, which means it's just ridiculously fast. It's nearly impossible to escape it. I'll show you right now. It's not loaded because my room is kind of small and I don't like being shot in the face from about 2 meters with a modified spring, so I'll show you right now. So yeah, I'll show you in the next step how fast it fires. I'll be using a controller to fire the gun. You can also use it to aim it. As I said in the introduction, I'm running it on 11.1 volts. That's because more would just result in a higher firing rate, meaning that I would have to collect the darts even more often, and I'm too lazy for that. And you can see in a second that 11.1 volts is already pretty fast. And by the way, this gun rarely misses a shot. If it looks as if it does in the video, that's because of the connector pieces that cannot be loaded. So let me quickly show you how well it performs. I'll stop it. This gun houses a special feature. Let me quickly switch over to the computer screen to show it to you. You can see that the gun is targeting me right now, and if the firing mode is being enabled, it will be shooting at me right now. But if I show the instructable logo too, it would stop shooting. You can see the screen turning green, which means it will not be targeting me anymore. If I remove the shirt, it would start shooting me again. Show it, and it would stop. To prove to you that it's not because of the color but because of the shirt, I can turn it around and show it, and it would even be targeting the shirt. So it's a great way to prank your friends, because your own gun would not shoot yourself, but just target everybody else and not shoot at you. You can of course use any logo, it doesn't need to be the instructable robot. Yeah, I hope you like it. Bye.